we're gonna make a maple bacon crock pot wings. It's about 4 pounds of wings we're throwing at the bottom of our crock pot. We're gonna move over to our bowl so we make our sauce that we're gonna put on. We're gonna put about a cup's worth of maple syrup on the bottom here. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons worth of Dijon mustard. And take a little bit of bacon grease. We're about to throw some bacon in there. We're gonna put the liquid stuff in first. Take a little bit of that bacon grease, throw it in there. Some garlic powder. Do about 2 tablespoons worth. Pepper. And paprika. And I chopped up some bacon. We're gonna throw half of this plate, which is about 6 pieces of chopped up bacon that we're gonna throw into our sauce here. And then get all that mixed up together. All right, once you got it nice and mixed up, we're gonna bring it back over to the wings and try to somewhat evenly pour it over our wings. Get that nice glaze sauce on top of there. Just get it nice and tossed around so it's covering everything. Okay, once you have it nice and tossed, we're gonna take the rest of that bacon as a nice little topping to cook on top of our wings. Alrighty, so now we're gonna put it on low for 4 to 5 hours, and this should be just about ready. All right, let's take a look. Oof, that just smells so good. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna go with this baby right here. And if you want, people, you can throw it in the broiler if you like your wings more crispy. This looks like it's about to fall off the bone, but let's see how it is. All right. It's so tender too. It's not overcooked or anything. It's coming like right off the bone. Look at that. Y'all, this is the way to go when it comes to wings. Slow cooker. Slow cook them things. I think this is my new favorite wing recipe. Like, for real. Like, look. Clean the bone off. Try it at home, people.